Hey everybody, JR from JR's Cars here. Today we're working back on my 2007 Pontiac Torrent. What I have going on for you today is we're going to replace the tailgate lift supports. The ones in this car, they're getting pretty weak. It still does hold up the tailgate. The problem with it is when you go to open up the tailgate, it seems like it's pulling back on you. So those are definitely in need of replacement. I can't tell you when they were replaced last, and I think they might be OEM. So let's just dive into this. We'll take a quick look here.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, look at that. I got a little helper here today. Hey, Vicky.
Hi.
You say hi to everybody on YouTube?
Yep.
Say hi again.
Hi again.
All right. So she's going to give me a hand here helping me out. This is what we're going after. If you take a look at the end of the lift support here, you can actually see how that attaches to the car. Right inside there, you see that little clip. And what that does is that attaches to a little ball that's on the tailgate itself. And then what happens is it just pushes in and it clips in. It keeps it secured. The white stuff inside there is grease. Obviously, you want it to be greased up a little bit so you can have nice fluid movement. When you open up and close the tailgate, it'll move like this and move like this. So you definitely want to have a little bit of lube in there when you put this all back together. All right, so let's get at this. All right, if you take a look here, you can see exactly what I was talking about before, where it has that little ball socket. That's on the body side. And that right there is on the tailgate side. So it clips right onto those without any problems. Then that's your pivot point for the strut itself. First thing you want to do is you want to take a look and see how the orientation of the lift support itself is. So here you can see that the tube end of it is on the hatch. Right? Here's the hatch. That's where the tube end is. And then this is where it'll attach to the body. And Vicky's over here watching and smiling. All right, so the first thing you want to do here, if you take a look, you'll see that there's a little indentation right here. See that right here? On both sides, there's a little indentation. You want to get a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, just get it up in there and pop that loose. What that's going to do is that's going to release that little clip that's on the inside. That's going to keep this ball from releasing. So if you look up here, you have one here. And then if you look down here, it's a little more difficult. You see there's that one clip that's right down there. We'll go ahead and get that one loose because it's a little bit of a pain, so I'll do that off camera. One thing to take note of, and this is very serious and very important, is that if you take one of these lift supports out, that whole door is going to come down on you because it's only going to be supported by one lift support. There's a reason why you have two, and that's to keep the weight up in the air. So once you release that one, that door is going to come down on you. So you should absolutely either have a helper with you to hold the door up, or you have at least one hand on that thing because it is absolutely going to come down on you. Pay attention, safety first. That's most important. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this here. So here we've got the new strut. I'm going to take the old one out. You're going to lift up on the door, and that'll give you a little bit of room to take the whole thing out. What you're going to do, take the new one, you make sure it's in the same orientation. Put it in. Clips right into place. Down at the bottom. Does the same thing. Pushes right in. Good to go. Let's get to the next one. And just like that, you have new lift supports. So easy, a caveman could do it. So let's give it a shot, see how it works. All right, let's close this up. Closes nice and easy, there's no binding. Open it right up here. As soon as you get about halfway, it goes right up on its own. It has not done that since I own this car. Done. All right, so being that we're back here and this is obviously not doing anything, we'll go ahead and we'll replace that wiper blade too. There she is, all nice and new. Now I'll actually be able to use that rear wiper without having it streaking. So I hope this video helped you out and showed you how to replace the lift struts on this 2007 Pontiac Torrent, and shows you how easy it really is. It's just a basic hand tool and some common knowledge. Just remember, safety first. Pay attention, because that door is going to get you if you're not paying attention. So if you like content like this, do me a favor. Give me a like. Hit subscribe down here. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, Vicky.